Hi, this is Mrs. Secor, and if you can find this page in your notebook, we'll begin. There's 2 pages today. Scientific notation. I know you've seen it before, but let's just review it and master it. Numbers like 5 million and 5, let's see, that's tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, 5 10,000s are in standard form. A number is expressed in scientific notation when it is written as a product of a factor and a power of 10. The factor must be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. All right, here we have some numbers written in scientific notation. This number is between 1 and 10, has a power of to the 10. Okay, so let's see. If I want to multiply by 10 to the 6th, I'm going to move my decimal point 6 places to the right because it's a very large number. So 1 and 2 will count as place, so we'll just need to add 4 zeros. We'll go back and comma it off, 4,120,000. This one, move the decimal 2 places to the right. 8 counts as 1, 580. Okay, here we have our negative exponent. We know we write these with small numbers, so we're going to move to the left, add zeros in front of this. We're going to have to move 3 places to the left. We'll add 2 zeros because 6 will count as one of them. Now let's try to write the numbers in scientific notation. 5,000. Okay, so the first number will be 5. It's a number between 1 and 10 times 10. Remember, our decimal point is right here. We'll go back 3 places, so it's a power of 3. The next one, 2.35 times 10. And let's see, we need to move our decimal point over to here between the 2 and 3, and that would be 5 places. A small number. We need to get the decimal right here, so it's 4.03. And to move it there, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time it's a negative 5. Numbers less than 1. Remember, that throws it in the denominator. We have that. Okay, so then we'll move this over 3 places. So it would be 4 times 10 to the 3rd, negative 3rd. One more page. Okay, here we have some numbers written in both standard and scientific notation. I suggest we get these numbers either in standard notation, all of them, or in scientific notation. I think it's easier maybe to write it in scientific notation. Let's just check that out. Okay, so this first number would be 2.1 times 10 to the 8th. And this one would be 2.15 times 10 to the, what's that? 7th? All right. So here we go. We have 4 blanks. The smallest one, can you see how 6 is the smallest exponent? They're all written as a number between 1 and 10. So the smallest one must be this, 10 to the 6th. 2.15 times 10 to the 6th. And the next one, well, these are both 8, and that's the 7. So here's our next one. 2.15 times 10 to the 7th. Okay, now we need to compare these two. All right, we have 2.05, we have 2.1. Which one is smaller? Remember, this could be 2.10. You're always allowed to add zeros at the back. So this is the smaller one. 2.05 times 10 to the 8th, and 2.1 times 10 to the 8th. And thank you.